good at that, Ty.
Yeah, don't forget to talk about how super awesome I am.
Oh, of
Obviously,
course.
Now talk about the school. Then answer the questions.
That's Ty Hughes, by the way,
This guy knows.
the music director
Are we
for
live
School
now?
of Rock. Oh yeah, we've been live all day, man.
This doesn't really
I like
tell
it.
us.
He doesn't tell anybody anything, does he?
So we're here with the School of Rock House Band, and everyone else plays in other bands, correct?
Yeah.
You all play with other positions. I know Wyatt's in Alterity, and is Cody coming down?
Cody's upstairs
No,
somewhere,
he
I'm
might
sure.
come down.
Hey, Cody, how you doing, fella?
Yeah.
This guy's
Hey, Cody,
in
what's up?
Alterity. This
Yeah,
guy's
yeah,
in
Wyatt,
all
Wyatt.
kind of bands.
I'm in multiple.
He's
I heard hardcore nipple
then
grabbing.
We'll move on.
Yeah, we're keeping it real here.
So why don't we just go ahead and start here, and why don't you introduce yourself and tell us about School of Rock and music and.
Okay, I'm Paradise, and I'm a vocalist, and just like a big part of what we do is getting a bunch of people together that are interested in the same things, because most kids our age aren't interested in like the music that we play, so it's cool to come to a place where it's like a common ground between like 20 different people in one show, and you can just like collaborate with them, and they have the same like way of thinking that you do and enjoy the same things that you do.
And what type of music is your favorite to play?
I would say like the classic rock realm of things is the most fun to play.
You guys seem to pick really good songs.
Oh, thank you.
Or go ahead and move
All
on here.
right, I'm Jamie, and I'm also a singer. And I think the thing that I love most about School of Rock is how much it teaches you to collaborate with other people and how it introduces you to a bunch of new people that you wouldn't meet otherwise. And I think it's a really cool opportunity that I wouldn't have otherwise.
And you just belted Aretha Franklin, Freedom.
Yes, I did.
And you hit every note. I
Thank
think.
you.
I'm a vocalist, I was listening. You did a wonderful job.
Thank
really,
you.
Really well done.
Thank you.
All right, so I know Wyatt a little bit.
I'm Flip.
Why do I call you Wyatt?
I don't know.
It's because you guys are in the same band to me, Alterity. Wyatt is another guitar player who's phenomenal, who's done some Scenester shows. And Flip and Wyatt, do you still go to Ponderosa?
No.
Flip's
No?
the drummer,
Okay.
man.
So Flip and Wyatt played a show for me for another charity that I run when they were freshmen. They were 14 years old, right? And Flip told me it was his first show upstairs. So
Oh, like the first show, yeah, that
the
we
first
did.
pro show that you guys had, or the first show that you guys
Yeah,
had
with
booked.
Alterity.
So that was just really cool. But Flip, you're an awesome drummer, dude.
Oh, thank you. Yeah,
Tell
and
us about it.
Well, I started playing as soon as I got to School of Rock, and I've just blended really well with everybody there, and I've kind of just become one of the kids there.
One of the standards.
One of the standards, I guess.
The standard. What's your favorite style of music to play?
I'd say hardcore jazz fusion. No, actually, just rock, classic rock.
Hardcore jazz fusion. I'm down. I would like to see you play some hardcore jazz fusion.
He's a big trip hop guy. The tie kind of gives it away.
Well done. All right, man.
So I'm Zach. I play the keys and a multitude of other instruments, but not in house band. I think my favorite thing about house band is, like Jamie said, just all of the people that you meet, and just meet. Not good at words. Not good at words. Just there's so many nice people at School of Rock, and everyone just likes to work together, and everyone's just so nice.
Thank you, Zach.
Thank you, Zach.
I'm real nice. That
Means a lot.
So
Give that-
sweet of you, man.
Give that
That's
kid
so
an A,
sweet.
Ty. Give him an A.
And you
guys
did
get
just
A's.
fine with your words, by the way.
Thank you.
It was very nice.
So nice.
Very nice.
So I
Real
guess
nice.
before we've got a couple of other members of the School of Rock house band, but let's go ahead and just say what's up, Ty.
Yeah, no worries. Hey guys, I'm Ty. I'm the music director down at the School of Rock in Denver, and we got a couple of other guys, Eric, and we got Jackson hanging out. Jim, our new owner's back here with CT on the mic, maybe. Oh yeah, say hi, Jim. How's it going, man? All right.
There you go.
There we go.
So Ty's been working with these kids for a really long time, and they've been
Long time.
a big part of the Mile High Scenesters family and crew, and Ty and Chris have some ties as well. I know. Don't need to
We
get
rock.
into them, right?
Turns out we've heard of each
Yeah,
other.
turns out you
before,
guys
yeah.
know each other a little bit.
A little bit.
But we're grateful for you, man, and we appreciate you teaching these kids how to be pros, dude, because they are.
My pleasure.
Yeah.
It's my pleasure, absolutely. Something to live for. You guys keep the good work up,
Yeah.
or I'll know you're not.
Right. and so two of you get up. Let's switch out the
Yeah,
two.
fellas,
Goodbye.
come on
Come
back
on
in
in.
here,
Come
all
on.
right? Jackson and Eric, bring it back.
Look at
Oh,
us.
we're stuck.
So we got our guy Eric right here. Eric,
Hi, dude.
you went on the All-Star Tour for School of Rock. Tell us a little bit about what that is.
Oh, that was actually a really fun time. I mean, it was weird. It was like the best moment of my life touring Chicago, playing at Lollapalooza. But in another way, it was kind of like hardcore summer camp. It's bittersweet, but it was awesome.
Yeah, it's a good time. So basically what happens with All-Stars is all the best kids audition from all the different schools across the country. There's 250 plus. And then out of that cream group, we send them on tour all over the place. So like you
How
said,
many
Lollapalooza and
musicians
such.
go?
How many people were on the last tour?
It was like 25.
25, something, yeah. They play shows at Red Rocks every summer. We've done that.
I've
We've
seen
done, the house band's done Red Rocks,
Yeah.
so yeah, it's kind of, well, it's our town, so we got to do that.
Yeah,
But-
yeah.
Ty, do you remember, I don't know if you can hear me, but do you remember that the Mile High Scenesters, and this was before Will joined us, that we actually came over and judged one of the competitions
Yeah.
for the All-Stars?
That is absolutely the case. Yeah, these guys came over and were on the judging panel for the All Stars, which included some of you house band guys, I believe. So, yeah, Diane was rocking it back then. We're still rocking it.
Yeah,
And
woo!
what are we going to do? We'll
Diane.
just keep doing that.
That's what we do, man. That's what we do.
How long have you been playing?
I started I got serious when I was 14.
And you're how old now?
17.
Keep shredding, dude.
Thank you.
And keep wearing cool bands. Iron Maiden and Megadeth.
It's the only thing I got going for me.
17-year-olds.
Beanies and
17-year-olds
t-shirts.
don't know about guitar. They don't know about it.
Got
Well,
some
but I'm
licks
just talking
and some
about with
good
their
hats.
fashion, in their fashion.
Fashion is
So-
50% of the performance.
This guy must be a David Bowie fan. All right, and so go ahead, you and introduce yourself and tell us what instrument you play.
I'm Jackson. I play the drums.
How long have you been playing, Jackson?
3 or 4 years.
Well, you shred it too. I mean,
Thank
collectively, you're all awesome. And Cody, just come in here real quick and wave and say hi.
Woo!
Just come get on the camera.
Oh,
at
look,
least.
there's Cody.
Come on.
Cody looks even more beautiful on the
Come on,
big
come
screen.
on, come on, come on, come on.
You got to get in here, sit with your
Just
pals.
turn around at that camera right there and give us a smile, Cody.
Bend down.
Cody, the TV added 10 pounds for you.
Just sits on the.
Cody's another one of the all-stars. He's in a bunch of bands.
There
and
you
you've
go.
known him for a long time, and he shreds. So if you didn't see their performance, check it out. It's archived, and we just appreciate you guys.
You can watch them right now on Red
Thank
Rocks.
you guys very much. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that.
We've got some stock footage of you guys. We definitely have some footage floating around.
A little bit of shreddery. We got Walker up there with really not as much hair.